Is your project a detailed, turn-by-turn road trip planned months in advance, or is it a cross-country adventure where you decide the next city based on how you feel today? That's the core choice in project management. You have the rigid structure of Waterfall, the ultimate upfront plan, versus the adaptable, customer-driven sprints of Agile. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals of both to show you which philosophy leads to project success. So let's dive in. Let's start with Waterfall. Think of it literally. Water only flows down. This is the linear, sequential approach. You complete one phase entirely before moving to the next. The steps. Requirements. We document everything up front. Design, then implementation, testing, and finally, deployment. It's all about upfront planning and clear documentation. It's great when you have a fixed, well-defined scope and you know exactly what you want from the start. Think about building a skyscraper. You can't start pouring the foundation, then decide you want to move the main wall. Pros: clear structure, easy to track progress, and budget is set early. Cons: zero flexibility. If you discover a problem or a new requirement late in the game, it can be incredibly expensive and difficult to go back. Now for Agile. This method was created for environments where things change fast, like software development. Instead of one big project, you break it into small, repeatable cycles called sprints or iterations. Each cycle, which might be 2 to 4 weeks, produces a minimum viable product, MVP, something that works and delivers value immediately. Agile's core is flexibility and feedback. After each sprint, you get customer feedback, adapt the plan, and start the next cycle. It's like sculpting with clay. You start with a basic shape, show it to the client, make adjustments, and repeat until the final sculpture is perfect. Pros: highly flexible, rapid delivery of value, and issues are caught early. Cons: requires active customer involvement, and without strong discipline, the scope can easily creep. Let's look at the key differences side by side. Change: Waterfall resists it, Agile embraces it. If a competitor launches a new feature mid-project, an Agile team can pivot immediately. A Waterfall team would have a bureaucratic nightmare of change requests. Customer involvement. In Waterfall, the customer is mainly involved at the beginning and the end. In Agile, the customer is a constant collaborator, ensuring the final product is exactly what they need. Delivery: Waterfall delivers the complete final product at the very end, the big bang. Agile delivers working increments frequently, meaning customers get value sooner. Documentation: Waterfall is heavy on documentation up front. Agile prefers working software over comprehensive documentation. It's more about people and interactions. So which one is best? Neither is inherently better. It depends on the project. Use Waterfall when requirements are stable and clear, e.g., building a bridge, a highly regulated accounting system. The project is short and simple. You have fixed budget and timeline with little room for scope change. Use Agile when requirements are likely to change, e.g., software development, a marketing campaign. You need to deliver value quickly and frequently. Customer collaboration is essential. And often, people use a hybrid approach, a little bit of Waterfall planning up front, followed by Agile execution. Project management is never one size fits all. Understanding the fundamental difference between the rigid, sequential nature of Waterfall and the flexible, iterative nature of Agile is essential for any manager. If you want to see more quick videos for business leaders, hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.